2, go.
Our places card is a Mexican restaurant. Our things card is a Halloween costume. Our people's card, Nature Kid, power to clean up pollution and trash. Once again, our story name is Date Gone Wrong. Alright. Nature Kid goes to the Mexican genie restaurant and picks up. Okay, let me just read this. And picks up Matthias and transports him to a transports him to a Mexican restaurant and dresses up as a taco and finds a magical rock who goes. I got this. Okay. Who goes trick or treating with Matthias, which is his girlfriend. They get candy, but Matthias was still dead, so apparently magical rock brought him back to life. But he fell. But he felt. He still felt. It's the question of life. Why is everyone constipated?
So wait a minute. So Matthias comes back to life.
Because of magic rock.
Magic rock. But he's still constipated.
Yes.
Oh my God.
If the judge card is poop, then they're gonna win.